ibibazo bikomeye gusa bavuga mu kirimi cyo ntumva.
Estoy seguro. Te lo prometo.
Gracias, burro.
Uri we Soro koko. Nzaba intwara umubona kare. Garuke hano.
Serpent circling the globe.
Orbis unum.
Are you sure that this is the symbol you saw on the crate?
Uravugisha kuri iki kimenyetso cyabonye kuri box bari bafite cyane.
Orbis unum, yeah.
Cyane rwose ni iki?
It means one world. Represents the Knights of Aragon, an ancient brotherhood that ruled over Europe in secrecy after the Crusades.
Wait.
Rero bisobanura ni uvuga ngo ni abaruganti n'abantu babaga batumva bafunga umutwe.
The masters behind.
Bashaka kugira ngo bayobore isi mu buryo bwabo bwite bayikabe.
Here's a prophecy they wrote nearly 1,000 years ago.
Ubuhanuzi byo bwari bwarahanuye byahanuwe bavuze.
In the west of great power, I shall rise to
Imbaraga
threat
dasanzwe zaba zifitwe nabo mu Burengerazuba.
only by turning the power onto
Ubonye
its
bazajya bagena izindi imbaraga z'abandi bakeneye ko bazigira. Muri bakeneye kwikubira ibintu byose akaribo bakontorora
west.
abanyiburengerazuba.
America. They want to destroy it.
Uzi n'ikindi ndashaka ko tubirimbura.
Hope.
Cyane. Gaturore.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
I had a wonderful time.
Nuko nagize ibihe byiza cyane.
Does the wind?
It does?
Some
Kuba
colleagues
ryarize
no,
turi kumwe.
up this evening. The meeting may run late. Perhaps we could meet for breakfast?
Rero ndashaka kutugure Elena mu kanya kandi ntukererwe. Twasangira breakfast se.
I want to be your wife, Armand.
Ndashaka kuba umugore wawe Armand. Anyway, iryo jambo. Hano hari umusoma mbike wa Armand naga byishimira Elena. Arareba Elena bakamureba n'imbereka.
If I am going to be the lady of the house,
Nimara ku mugore wawe.
making myself at home.
Nzaba nishyize niza numva ko ndi mu rugo koko.
I suppose we could
Nakifuje ahubwo byakabaye byabaye ibyo.
supper.
Ukibivuga rwose. Sibyo Elena mwiza.
I will wait for you after your meeting.
Reka dutegereze igihe turi gugomba guhurira.
Perhaps I can stay.
Nyiraga hari wenda nanagumana nawe. Nya. Utabyishimira dore kakana kandi Kazol. Mwako yari yagarutse wabo. Kazol. Zuko agenda. Aka. Abamuzi. Abashaka kumugira no Katurore. Kaka mukrinzi. Ntanganira gato. Aramujombye. Kuba Arifti gato ariko aranjombye kira ayiwe ngo katangira kuzamo Feneriga ya Samutse bari kumuhungiza.
Who are you?
Uri bande baba bamufungiye.
Mike, this is Agent Harrigan.
Mike agent ni Mike ngende agent Herrick na kumbi ni ntasi. Turakuzi Zol.
Good guys.
Uri abantu beza.
Perilous times, Mr. De La Vega.
Ye kintu cyose twaba turi abantu beza.
And thrown wide open to people from foreign lands.
Which is why on occasion we require certain individuals to aid in our country's defense. People like your ex-wife.
Umuntu ukunda ex-wife wawe babana niwe turi kunekesha umugore wawe.
Works for you.
Arabakorera.
As a spy.
We ibi ntago ari imikino.
It becomes official. We don't have jurisdiction to serve Armand with a search
nta kuri
warrant.
twari kuzakwemera wari kuzemera kudufasha kugira ngo dukorane
To the task.
ukoresheje umugore wawe.
He never forgot.
You see, before the Count arrived, we intercepted a telegram he dispatched to his associates throughout Europe.
In that telegram, he claimed to be on the verge of producing a new weapon.
Dore telegram dufite itwereka ko abagabo bari gukora ibintu bibi cyane ndetse bagiye gukora intwaro zidasanzwe kandi nshya mbi cyane ndimbuzi. Wadufasha tugakorana.
If a weapon could do that.
Your ex-wife may be on the verge to answer that very question.
And
Hari
every
umugore wawe mwatandukanye wenda we yadufasha. Nutemera kugira ubwo ntabwo ikibazo cya mbere kizabaza bitandukanye n'ibyawe.
You blackmailed Elena to lure in the Count.
We prefer
Murimo murakoresha Elena nk'umumaneko ndetse nk'umuyobozi bitari biza. Turashaka rero dufashe.
she agrees to help us, and we promise to keep the true name of Zorro secret from his
Tuzahora duhishe izina ryawe kuri Zoro wa nyawe ntabwo tuzajya tubibwira. Uradufasha cyangwa tuzabika ibanga ryawe ryo kuri Zoro.
I know something that might help you.
Hari icyo nzi kuri uriya mugabo cyangwa yemeye gukorana nabo. Begera hino nkubwira. Begera hino bose. Bakuru badunda hano. Raka rimwe.
Send you both to hell for this!
Nkasana bombi babiri. Uzajya mu kuzimu.
We must be protected, De La Vega, without apology.
Ugomba kudufasha tugashyira hasi televega cyangwa se ugasaba imbabazi. Ukazabyicuza.
This belongs in a museum. So do you.
Twigendere sha. Museum byose uko bimeze. Bakanga.
Soon we will both be free.
Kuri no mijyana amakuru.
Hasta pronto, mi amor.
Amubwira iki wabo. Kigenda kana. Nama nakujijishaga. Kana ari hano. Mara aho yaje. Bazanye n'akanyunyuzo. Bazanye n'akayuzo katurore.
Bonsoir, Marie.
Bonsoir, Maria.
Expecting me. You are Lima now.
Unyiteze se?
The Count is still indisposed. Well, perhaps I can wait in the parlor.
Nta kibazo mfite ikindi gice cya kabiri cy'ikirori nta kibazo.
Thank you so much, Marie.
Urakoze cyane Maria. Bakimutegurira ahita afungura hano mu idirishya katorore. Elena uyafungiyemo hano. Kana ke nako barakazana. Kana ikara.
Joaquin?
Rocky?
Joaquin!
Rocky. Hewe. Jane. Papa?
What are you doing in the bar?
Uramara icyamanga.
I ask you first.
Nawe uri kuki uramara icyo muri gereza ndikubaje mbere.
It's our mom.
Is she okay?
No, I mean yes, but no. A man came to the house. He asked her to marry him. She said yes. I know you still love her. You
Cya
said
kigabo cyaje iwacu mu rugo kije kukibwira mama ngo bashyingiranwe ndabizi yuko mama ukimukunda. Yabyemeye mama.
how can you be in jail? You
Ni
got
gute uri muri gereza ugomba kuva mu kazi ukarwanira mama. Reba.
Help me out of here. And I'll get your mother back.
Nindamuka mvuye hano ngomba kugarura mama sibyo tujya tugashyingiranwa.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya.
I promise.
Noneho rero. Araka. Mwana ari hano.
Oye, te tardaste bastante. Me estoy tratando porque
ngo Peter yakoresha uno yarashe bamena ibyo bantu we aritsimba wa murezi we una pima ikiri kirabubona bana urwana ararutega yegwe imwe gusa umwana ari hano Niwengera bayazana kujya gusirira cyabaye ndetse nkwereke ndayifungurira okay sawa urakoze
Genius.
muhanga cyane uri niti nka sosha
Jelly again, right? Without my permission, I mean.
akazi kanjye kukura ngaho tugataha turore aho byariraga turagera hajya ngo bavayo
Stay back!
subiye inyuma cyangwa umwana mwishe ndamuvugije mumfashe
I got my whole life ahead of me.
barabarebye biraseka ubone we rimwe nanga kumva we yewe nge birandenze akazoro
Why should I do that?
ye ubikoze ute
Prison changes a man, son.
rimwe na rimwe ibyo umuntu ajya ahinduka uko agaragara ngende Irena ugera hano abayabonye bagaruka mu rugo ndakarabaye ndapfuye kandi ari kure hari uwaje mu rugo
Listen, Joaquin. I have to go alone.
What? I just got you out of jail.
nimba kujya muri ntambara umva wowe ntago
I'm not going there to fight.
wowe ntago mere kujya kurwana cyangwa kugira icyo ukora sibyo
Reason with him.
No. Listen, Joaquin, the world is a little more complicated than you think.
No reason. There's right and there's wrong.
But I don't have the time to argue with you.
umva nta mwanya mfite wo kubona nawe umwana papa ari gusobanurira umwana ntago umwana yumva sanga padiri mugumane
You don't deserve mom.
udatuma mama abana na kiriya kigabo bwamubwiye don't deceive mom baka arunjira cyo sikia Irena yewe aro basifura yewe we rimwe nawe yari urwanya Irena haza n'abandi baba batatu haza n'undi bakiri aho yewe gadata we Zolo na Irena
Come on, went through there. We have to hurry.
I know about the Pinkertons.
nzi ibijyanye na Pinkerton byose ndabizi bizute
Mother, they told me everything.
It's all right, my darling. I forgive you.
You forgive me? No. I forgive
nta
you.
kibazo ndakubabarira wowe ntabwo urumbabarira
Everything you put me through.
Everything I put you through? I would not be in this mess if you had kept your mask on.
Really?
ati byose nakoze ko ari kugira ngo mask yawe itakuvaho ikagaragara bakamenya uwo uri we koko se
I'm undercover.
ndi undercover noneho reka mbikubwiza ukuri ndi undercover ndi maneko
You never gave me pearls.
But you said you didn't care about things like that.
I lied. Every woman loves pearls.
Well, now you have them, princess.
When I said that we were never meant to be together.
ubwo navuga ngo njye nawe twaremeye kuba tukumwe
Finally, we agree on something.
Nore nyuma nanyu hari icyanyacyo ngabo narabeshyaga ngabo.
This changes nothing.
Absolutely not.
Ntacyahindutse ijana kujya nyine ntacyahindutse
Always.
buri gihe ndagukunda ati buri gihe ngabo.
Orbis Unum. Fellow Knights of Aragon, soon the power of the United States will be so great it will overshadow us.
Paradizo ya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika igomba kuba kataraboneka nubwo ari tubigizemo uruhare kandi mu mwijima.
Its people, they are divided by north and south. The civil war is
byose ni abantu ariko none tugomba kugira ibyo tugabanya.
who will claim victory
Abarwanya intsinzi yacu
will determine the outcome.
tugahitamo abagomba gutsinda n'abagomba gutsindwa.
With this,
Ikimuzi cyari cyo
quite harmless in its current form,
tangira kubasobanurira.
but science
Unum.
has shown us how to extract the glycerine
Uragufasha glycerine
into a compound 30
ukagira utego kora compound kavanga
than gunpowder.
yakubereka uburyo bikora.
Glycerine. For months, this vineyard has been a cover for its manufacture.
Ibi nibyo tumaze gukora mu nganda zacu.
Shipment of nitro will depart by train.
Ibikoresho bikomeye nk'ibi ngibi bitapfa gutungwa n'abantu kandi byangiza bikararimbura bitakwangizwa.
And distributed throughout the Confederate Army.
Byadufasha kurema ingabo zikomeye zirenze.
Preparing to launch a preemptive strike against Washington, forever tearing this country apart.
Ndetse bikadufasha kurwanya Washington kandi iteka ryose tukayishyira hasi gahuri twumva.
South Aragon will soon be
Kure
restored.
bageze natwe twahagera tukanabarenza bakiga kutwumva no kutwumva no kutwubaha bakanadutinya Mr.
Can destroy itself.
I've heard enough.
Urumvisha ibihagije.
Brothers, you know my spirit is with you. But we risk antagonizing a sleeping giant if we fail.
Gusa bavandimwe turi kumwe ngaha bari kumwe nawe gusa ariko ntabwo twishimira kubona turyama ndetse binanirwa ibyo dupanga bikora bitsindwa.
Lord Dillingham, would a demonstration put your mind at ease?
Akira no kakanu bate mu mutwe wawe umenye ibyo twanyuka turika yemeranyije nawe uko bigenda. Padiri kugera hano barabahundaguraga banasenya binjira batyo indushe kumbi gasenga Padiri baramwinjirana.
Unless you come to confess, you have no business here, McGivens.
Hari umutushije kwicuza nabyumva ariko mu gihe nta yindi business dupanga wakaye utagera hano.
Seeing that you're obliged to keep the secrets of your flock.
Uri umuhanga cyane kubika ibanga.
Go back inside.
Sibemera akarura barikima. Nagato.
Who's Zorro?
Zorro ninde?
You know Sorrow.
Zorro no muzi.
Anyone at all?
Wese aramuzi.
Come on now.
Umva we.
We're both men of God.
Ngabo udakoresha intwaro. Kandi nge mfite intwaro mbwira rero. Twese kutujana dufite intwaro wakwica.
Hey boss.
Rero ibyo mbonye. Ikizibiti. Wibika akakasa ngo n'uyu mwana. Zorro.
All right.
Sawa.
I'll tell you.
Ndababwira. Mushi, niba amaze mugisha twiga. Irukange. Reka no kiruke sinzi. Padiri araswa gatuza. Bamurashe mu gatuza. Kana kanu mu kigabo. Ishe Padiri. Kana ru mu kigabo ku rutugu. Nari bamuvanaho. Tangiye gukora discipline nyinshi nibiturika.
Gentlemen,
bagabo
the future.
ahazaza ni aha. Aha niho hazaza, muze mwirebera ahazaza. Turimo turarema. Abantu zirakora cyane. Ayiwe aro badomye tamike cyane.
Facility will provide a continuous supply of nitro to the southern battlefront.
Ati bizaduha ndetse kuba twatanga bimwe mu products zacu tukinjiza ibindi binyuranye n'ibyo dushaka kandi nabyo bikomeye. Akira.
The nitro has been concealed in these bottles to
za nitro zaga zigenda muri aya macupa kandi nubwo ngo ntawagira icyo akeka cyangwa agira icyo amenya. Umbi Zorro. Kibosi.
An urgent matter requires your attention at the hacienda.
Amubwira iki wabo. Bari kitameze neza ari bagato bakubiswe.
He's going back to the hacienda.
I have to get back before.
Babonye bo twakwitwa kuvana hakiri kare.
From leaving go.
Wowe genda. Ubuse.
Be careful.
Tonde shiri. Ngabo. Abagiye mu rugo mudamu acaho bagiye uwo mudamu. Akazolo. Arabasigura atangira kubasegura ibyo bakoze byose agiye kubituritsa. Hari uri kwihuta ajya mu rugo. Arabajyayo ndamushyira icyamutse ndapfuye. Ndaburya kumbi haribwa byamubonye. Ayiwe umuryo umuporezo ruje ku nyubako injira afunga.
Come on. Oh my goodness, I must have dozed off when your dog startled me.
Perhaps they thought you're someone you're not.
Hari wenda wasanga zabonye indi muntu tutazi.
Told you arrived early.
I could not wait.
Yambwiye ko arangije.
Special meal prepared. I hope you're hungry.
Ndizera ko ushonje. Oya. Ntari. Ngabo. Aza gusangira.
Thank you, Mary.
Yakoze Mary.
You were not hungry?
Wese ntabwo ushonje. Bamureba.
Tasty, is it?
Ibyo gusa si sheri.
Is it quail?
Pigeon.
Pigeon se kutayirya. Agera kumva atameze neza. Abagabo batatu mu mirambo taragira hajya kumbi gashoka. Bamuvumbuye tayari.
As you said, Helena.
Uko bivuze Helena.
We see the people we love as we wish them to be.
tuba abo dukwiye kuba ndetse kandi twumvira abo dukunda.
They really are.
Kambura arisha leta yamuhaye arayishwanyura.
Did you actually think that I would be swept off my feet by a sadistic coward like you?
Ese ukeka ko mu by'ukuri njye kwemera kuguma iruhande ndetse no kuguma no kubana n'icyo kikigwari nkawe?
No vision.
Ntabwo urabona hazaza. Ahahe hazaza?
Barely stomached the sight of you, Armand. The only way I could bear your touch was to imagine you were Alejandro.
Aramutamo. Amutukamo.
Your stepfather would be ashamed.
Bakabikorwa n'isoni n'ikimwaro.
Nothing more than a common woman. Devoted to common man.
Gabo nkawe utandukana n'umugabo muzima ukaza kundi muzima nawe ukaburi kumusuzugura umva udakwiye gukora n'ikimwaro. Azanye umwana we.
Padre's dead and the kid's a witness.
Namenye imbaraga z'inzese nkeya uyu mwana. Aturore. Batazi katurore hari ubarimo. Sangije afata ifarasa rirekera gusa siza bashumitse. Siza bateza akantu. Yaje. Kugira ngo abonera yafashwe ndetse n'umwana we bafashwe. Ya. Namenye ko ari ikibazo byanga byakunda byakomeye. Katurore.
The rendezvous at Clanton's Pass. You and your men can assume control of the train there.
Barabafite. Kazi kawo murakazi no gukontrola buri kimwe cyose kandi nagira icyangirika. Dore, ina n'umwana barabafite ngaba. Kari amoshi rafi gutureka kandi no bagiye kujya musinzi. Ya. Zayiteze katurore. Manuka yihuta. Zayiruka sinzi. Soro. Ya. Oya. Ciao. Kura icupa itaraturika.
If you please.
Wayimereza ko ngusabye. Akira.
Merci.
None mureba. Mereza nizo ntwaro. Akira. Cyo munda. Amurezi we sasa.
Remove his mask.
Umukuremo mask ye. Ntamari hano. Umukuremo mask. Wowe.
Papi.
Papa. Very kind.
You've lost it all.
Arahombye sibyo?
Your wife.
Umugore wawe.
Your son.
N'umuhungu wawe sibyo? Urahombye urabizi.
What? Police?
Ngibi.
No matter where you go, Armand.
Aho uzajya hose Armand.
Whatever you do.
Icyo uzakora cyose.
The world isn't big enough to hide from me.
Umenye ko iri ni itangiro nawe ushobora kunyihisha. Arabatabaye. Bari bashukanye kandi rero babateze. Ari hano no muteguzi.
Goodbye, De La Vega.
Urabeho De La Vega.
No!
Oya!
No! Papi! No!
Ati oya.
Please.
Ndakwinginze.
In front of Joaquin.
Ndemera gushyingiranwa nawe.
Please.
ndakwinginze. Mumuretse.
As soon as we're gone.
Elena.
My family is my life.
Umuryango wanjye n'ubuzima bwanjye. Ijambo yamubwiye. Iyo wakwemerera umugabo byose ibyo mwashaka gukora byose. Akana kakicirije ati mwigendere. Genda. Kagari ry'umukara aratangira. Afite byinshi bapakiye bakoze. Sorry. Muzana hano rero. Turori. Bumbi. Go buri hano. Bumbi.
About your friend the Padre, but he died with God's name on his lips and a bullet in his heart. And send you out, a sheep amongst wolves.
Ufata bakagushyira hagati y'impyisi natwe mbi baka kibeshye. Ya. Padri yapfuye Daka Zoro Daka kiramuruma Padri wana ngumyauzi bande bari Daka Zoro mashina ndagusya aiwe shene ifatwa ngira hano ni muzima sasa hejuru ari gatonyanga kamwe nugushirira ya bwa buruzi yewe uturika byo biba gatonyanga ari kurugashwanyura umuntu wabyikoreraga reba
You're alive.
Ndi muzima.
I already did.
Ndigiye mara ndi muzima. Urumva? Dore sasa uryafashe. Yafashe hano. Ewe.
Go to the marshal's office and tell them what our man is doing here. Where you?
Yena muno fasho yamubwira ko ajya babagabo baba agent ababwire ibyo banogo bari korera hano.
Train.
Ugenge ukurikira gare ya moshi.
Understand something. You can lock me in a tower forever. First stop hating you.
Ariko ntago nzi kuzaba umunyamahirwe iteka ryose ko azaguhagarika ubu biratandukanye rero nibyo ubushize.
I can't wait till my puppy kicks your bucky.
Ntago natsinza papa wanjye ko aza kuguhoda bakira aho ngaho mu bifarasi. Ngo majwi ifarashi. Funky way. Ime gusa. Zoro. Umwana mu. Yakora ku mwana. Amasekamo. Nakubwiye. Zoro yaje. Wari hano. Bakanyama. Fura. Pepa. Fata. Intwaro. bafata intwaro sinzi katurore akira ingiga ayiwe kubitwa n'ubu ndapfuye kuduruvana bari umwuka baye ibintu bibi cyane uburozi tangira kwihuta sinzi yongera akavuduko zamukano n'ifarashi katurore kureba turaho arimo aragendera hejuru zamuka hejuru mumuhesha zamuka hejuru bamurase sinzi aturore nigabo atageti bituri yo mahirwe ya zuru katurore bayo ni farasi katurore kamone twagiye farasi yaratarutse ura mu bigabo gira hano ndabikoze farasi iri hano nayo iraserebura tayari yego uri farasi wanyawe kabisa bizoro kwitegereza imbere farasi no kureba imbere ibibazo cyabaye ayikatisha basubira inyuma katurore uvumo komeza arasaba renga katurore inzi yararebye yinjiza farasi mo hano ikami farasi
Boy, well done.
sere wanjye turabikoze yeah